The name frittata sounds so interesting and I was literally mesmerized by the name. And so I thought, why not make it in an eggless version? Yes, you must be thinking, I love to create, innovate, whatever you call. And this is a delicious keto eggless frittata. Yes, without egg. Only at the name I have taken frittata because that sounded so interesting. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making keto eggless frittata. Yes, frittata without eggs, but it is very delicious, very easy to prepare. Not even more than 5 minutes to 10 minutes it takes to do the preparation, and the rest time goes into cooking. So let's begin with it. So for the delicious eggless frittata, you can call it even a casserole, but I love the name frittata, so I am calling it a frittata. So I have taken a mixing bowl, and to that I am dropping the feta cheese. Yes, the feta cheese would give a lovely taste to this recipe. Just crumble it. I have crumbled with my fingers. You can crumble it with your spoon even. And to that I am adding a paste of garlic. Some mozzarella cheese goes into it. Some oregano goes into it. You have to add some herbs. So I am adding, since I didn't have the fresh one, I am adding the dried one. Here goes the fresh thyme. So here I am churning the broccoli, and see, it looks so gorgeous. Some broccoli. That is your finely chopped broccoli, or you can simply grate it even. Some pumpkin. This is another way of using the pumpkin, incorporating into your meal, because many of them don't like pumpkin, but here you're going to just love it because it's going to add the perfect taste to this, or flavor to this frittata. Drop this pumpkin into it even. Lovely color of the pumpkin. And some salt. So I have made the frittata with the broccoli and pumpkin. You can make it with the spinach, cauliflower, capsicum, whatever you want you can add to it. And give it a magic mix. Just give it a magic mix. So this mixture is prepared. I'm going to grease a baking tray, and I'm putting a parchment paper into it so that it becomes easier for me to lift. So here I'm dropping the mixture into it. Simply drop it inside it. Spread it out. Just press it and smoothen the surface. Should be flattened out. So see, how does it look like? It looks so gorgeous. It's looking like the frittata only, you can say, without baking also. But I'm going to bake it. So for that I'm going to drop some shavings of butter over it so that it takes a beautiful color. The cheese, the butter. I think so this dish has lovely flavor. Feta, mozzarella, butter, all will give a lovely flavor, and the sweetness, little sweetness will be provided by the pumpkin. And meanwhile my oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to put it for baking at 200 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes. And I'm going to grill it for extra 5 minutes. So after grilling, I'm just taking it out. Doesn't it look gorgeous? It looks so beautiful. I'm literally, in love with the baked dish, See the color, it's so gorgeous. So it has cooled down, and now I'm going to take it out from the baking dish. It's a perfect breakfast dish. You have to just mix up everything and put it into baking, and once it gets done, you can just enjoy it. It's so simple. And now I'm going to slice it off with a pizza slicer. Isn't it looking gorgeous? Beautiful. Now I'm going to take a slice of it. Just see. Can you see the threading of the mozzarella cheese? I love it, you know. You can add more of mozzarella, less of feta to get more those threaded or that stretchy look of the cheese. See, it's gorgeous. So I've served it on a plate. Isn't it looking gorgeous? So just go and make this eggless frittata and you can say, oh, I'm enjoying the frittata. Nobody knows it's eggless or not. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.